Alright, so today I'm going to do a quick review on your car's headrest mount here. This is for Nintendo Switch and for other tablets as well. The first thing you're going to get is this package here, and you're going to get this manual on how to use the headrest. As you can see there, these are all the instructions that they're going to give you. And today I'm going to try it out and see how good this works. We get the strap for the headrest here, and we get the stand itself where we snap in the tablet or the Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is pull the headrest a bit upwards here so that you gotta have enough room to insert the strap there. And this strap does have Velcro right here for the stand itself, and it also has Velcro on the back so that you can snap it in place. So let me just disconnect it here real quick. And once it disconnects, you can start by wrapping the seat in a vertical way. So if I just put this right in between, just like this, and the other part, I'm gonna wrap it around towards the bottom, and it should look something like this. In this part of the mount, you do have the placement here for you could place the tablet with the stand. You can take it off just like that, and right here you have the placement for the tablet itself. So let me get my Nintendo Switch, and the fit is a bit tight, but it is acceptable. You can still do it. So what you want to do is just connect the rubber on one side here, and then with the other side you want to stretch it out just a bit, just like that. And eventually, once everything is flat, as you can see here, everything here on this side is completely flat, and over here on the other side is flat as well. So this Nintendo Switch is very, very secure. And now all you have to do is just connect the Nintendo Switch onto the strap, and it stays there just like that. You could move it around. If you want it lower, you could do it like that. You could pull the Velcro down, as you can see there, and you can connect your Nintendo Switch Lite like that. So this way it's straight on looking at you. You got a straight on angle. And if you want to tilt it, you could disconnect it, and you could also connect it lower, so that this way the Nintendo Switch is facing downwards just like this. And if you want to put the mount the horizontal way, you could also do that as well. Now once the mount is attached to the headrest, either horizontal or the vertical way, the opposite side where the driver's at is not going to bother him at all. Here, of course, you do have your controller here, which you could connect to your Nintendo Switch Lite. You could connect your Joy-Cons individually, or you could use a Pro controller or any other controller that's wireless and that connects to your Nintendo Switch. And now I'm going to talk about the measurements of the product itself. Without stretching the band, you could get around 24.5 inches. And if you stretch it all the way, you could get around 34 to 35 inches. So you're basically going to get 10 inches extra if you ended up overstretching the band. Now the stand itself with the rubber on the side, it's about 7 inches in width. Alright, if I end up stretching it, you could get around 15 to 16 inches around there. Now if you end up stretching it vertical, you could get around, I'll say like 8 to 8.5 inches. And finally, the height of the belt is little under 6 inches or so. And one last thing, you could still connect your charger at the bottom. As you can see there, it gives you enough room to connect the USB charger. And also on the top, the fans are not covered, and the earphones are not covered as well. So you have enough room for everything if you want to use the headphones, or if you want the Nintendo Switch to breathe throughout the vents here, throughout the fans. You'll have no problem with that. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.